Before the video, please make sure you have Photoshop Beta. How to download? In the Creative Cloud. Click Beta Apps. Then select Install for Photoshop Beta. Alright, let's start it. Use Object Selection tool. Select the hat and the sofa. Press Command-Shift-I. Use Gradient tool. You can select the presets gradient color. Here have many different combination. Choose color what you like. This time I choose this color. Drag a gradient line. Actually this UI setting is exactly like Adobe Illustrator. Go to Properties panel. If you cannot see it, or go to Window, click Properties. Now you can control every aspect of this gradient. Alright. Let's edit the other photo. Use Object Selection tool. Select the man. Use Gradient tool. Choose color what you like. Press Command-Shift-I. Drag a gradient line. Remove the background details. Alright. Adjust the gradient color position. Perfect. Let's create the other gradient. This time I choose the orange gradient. Drag a gradient line. Go to Properties panel. Go to Opacity Control section. Adjust the opacity number. Change the gradient to color dodge. Adjust the angle. Adjust the opacity number. Alright. Use the gradient color easily to make the sunshine effect. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.